day everyone, you are welcome back to Idowu Math class. Before we go straight to the work of the day, let's look into the solution to the assignment given to you in our last class. Question number 1 of the assignment is on the board right away. If log 3 equals 0.4771, log 2 equals 0.3010, and log 7 equals 0.8451. Evaluate A. Log 42, B. Log 0.21. Question A to start with. Log 42 is log 2 times 3 times 7, which is log 2 plus log 3 plus log 7. So substitution is the next thing. Log 2 is 0.3010 plus 0. For log 3 now, 0.4771 plus log 7, that is 0.8451. Adding the 3 together, we have 0.3010, 0.4771, 0.8451. This is 2. One plus 7 is 8. Plus 5, that's 13. We write 3, we keep 1. 1 plus 0 plus 7, that's 8. Plus 4, that's 12. We write 2, keeping 1. The one we keep, we add to 3, making 4. 4 plus 4, 8, plus another 8, that's 16. We write 6. Keeping 1, we put our point. The 1 is added here, and this is the answer to question A. 1.6232. Question B. Log 0.21 is log 21 over 100. If you try to simplify 21 over 100, there is no way to simplify it. Nothing goes in 21 and 100 at the same time. Nothing. So, unavoidably we write log 21 minus log 100 is 10, which is log 3 times 7 minus log 10 square is 10. Also, log 3 plus log 7 minus 2 log 10 is 10. Do you understand? So substitution begins here. Log 3 is 0.4771 plus log 2, no, log 7. Log 7, 0.8451 minus 2. 2 log 10 base 10 is 2. Log 10 base 10 is 1 times 2, that's 2. So adding these two together, I want to do the addition up here because of the space. 0.8451. 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. We keep 1. The 1 is added here. So we have 12 again. We keep 1. We add the 1 here, making 13. We write 3, keeping 1 as well. Adding the 1 here, we have 1.3222. Yes. Minus 2. Now, 1.3222 minus 2 should give us negative 0. Do you understand what I'm saying? 6778. The reason why I put negative sign is 1.3222 is less than these two, and we are subtracting the two, a bigger value, from a smaller value, so we are going to get negative answer. So, but simply you just subtract this small one first from the big one, put down your answer, but you put negative sign in front of it, and that is the end of the question. Question 2 of the assignment. Given that log 2 equals 0.3010, log 3 equals 0.4771, evaluate log 1.5, Roman go 2, log 2.4. Let's start from Roman go 1. Log 1.5 is log 15 over 10. If you simplify this, you reduce it to the lowest term. You get 3 over 2. And here we have log 2, we have log 3. That means we are good to go. So it is log 5 in 15, 3, 5 in 10, 2, which is log 3 minus log 2. Substitution now. Log 3 is 0.4771 minus 0.3010. 0.4771 minus 0.3010. Subtracting 0 from 1, you get 1. Subtracting 1 from 7, you get 6. 0 from 7, 7. 3 from 4 is 1.0. And that is the end of Roman figure 1. Roman figure 2. Log 2.4. That is, log 3 is 0.4771 minus 1. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 0, 0. Plus 0.4771 minus 1. I use the space up here for the addition. 0.9030 plus 0.4771. This is 1, 0, 8, 13.1. So we have 1.3801 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from this, answer is 0.3801. That is the final answer. Let's consider this question 3. If log x is equal to 2 and log y equals 5, evaluate log xy squared. Also question B, log y root x. It's all manipulation. Question A, log xy squared is the same thing as log x times y squared, which is log x plus log y squared. Log x plus 2 log y. You understand this? We apply that law, the common law. We apply it there. So what is log x? Log x is 2 plus 2 into, what is log y? Log y is 5. So we have 2 plus 10. 2 times 5 is 10. The answer is 12. Do you understand? It's straightforward. Question B. Log y root x is the same thing as log y times root x, which is log y times x raised to power half log y plus log x raised to power half. We write log y plus, apply the common law here. When I say common law, that is the laws you have learned under logarithm 1. They are common laws. So substitution now is the next thing. What is our log y? Log y is 5 plus half log x. What is log x? Log x is 2. So 5 plus 1. Half times 2 is 1. Answer is 6. And that is the end of it. Let's move to the last question of the assignment. The solution now of question number 4. If log 2 equals 0.3010 and log 3 equals 0.4771, evaluate log 2.4. Hence, solve y raised to power 0.1267 equals 2.4. Start with A. Log 2.4 equals log 24 over 10. If we reduce this fraction to the lowest term, we will have 12 over 5. But mind you, 5 is not given as one of the logarithms given. So you don't dare to divide or reduce to the lowest term. So continue with it as log 24 minus log 10 base 10. And log 24 is log 2 raised to power 3 times 3. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24 minus 1. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So this is log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 3 minus 1. 3 log 2 plus log 3 minus 1. Here we have 3 into 0.3010, the value of log 2, plus 0.4771 minus 1. To manage our space, 3 times this. Let me still manage the place. 0, 3, 0, 9.0 plus 0.4771 minus 1. Addition of 0.9030 and 4771. The addition is 1, 0, 8, 3, 1. So we have 1.3801 minus 1. Subtracting 1 from 1.3801, answer is 0.3801. Do you understand? Good. Now, question B part. Solve y raised to power 0.1267 equals 2.4. To tackle this kind of question I have taught you, take logarithm of both sides. That is log y raised to power 0.1267 equals log 2.4. Apply the common law here. which will make it to become 0.1267 log y base 10 equals log 2.4 is what you have in question A, log 2.4. So you are expected to go and import your final answer for question A and use there. Is that okay? And what's the final answer for question A? Log 2.4. 0.3801. 0.3801. So at this level, you write divide both sides by 0.1267. So which is 0.1267 log y base 10 divided by 0.1267 equals 0.3801 divided by 0.1267. At this level, you use your calculator. So this, we take care of this. So you have log y base 10 equals 0.3801 divided by 0.1267 gives you 3. I prepare the work for you, so I already know it is going to be 3. You need to press your calculator. Even professor will need to press calculator at that juncture. Is that okay? But it's going to give you 3. So now, you can now write this logarithm equation in indices form as y equals 10 raised to power 3, which is y equals 1000. And that is the end of that equation. So we come to the end of the solution to the assignment.